Yo, you seen that new Onewheel GTS? Yeah, the one with the power and torque upgrade? That thing is dope. Man, I had to cop one. Tell me all about it. Woke up quick at about 2. Just thought that I had to get a Onewheel soon. Hit the website, check the scene. That GTS looking way too clean. Popped in my car, hit that buy. Now I'm tracking that box till it's right outside. Few days later, doorbell rang, tore the tape off. Man, it's time to bang. Lace my Vans up, threw on my pads. Hit the pavement, time to act bad. Point my feet, lean in slight. Motor kicking in, now I'm out of sight. Gliding through the hood, carving tight. Neighbors looking like, man, what a sight. No gas, no push, just floating by. Like Marty McFly when he's taking flight. Cruising down the street on my GTS. Torque so strong, feel it in my chest. Carving corners, flow so mean. This board eat hills like a money machine. Hit the park, took the loop. Saw a dog off the leash, dodged the poop. Monte Carlo pulling up too fast. Swerve left quick, now I'm moving past. Flying down the street, they won't catch me. GTS tops on your 24 speed. Big battery pack, I'ma ride all day. Charge it once, then I'm back and play. Red light coming, I don't stop. Car at the crosswalk yelling, that thing hot. I just nod, then I carve on through. Leaning back like, yeah, this what it do. Cause riding one wheel, it ain't that hard. Hop on it one time and you'll go far. If you're gonna buy one, cop that GTS. Power, speed, torque, man, it rides the best. No kick, push, no need to step. Just lean and go, let the motor flex. If you see me floating, just know what's up. GTS riding, yeah, we turning up. Woo! Street lights on, pavement slick. Taking side routes through the strip. No handlebars, just me and skill. Leaning in tight while I bomb that hill. Hit the curb, pop that drop. Bonk off a ledge, then I never stop. 360 pivot, slide that tail. GTS grip, never gonna fail. See the homies at the park, showing out. Trick mode on, let me air this out. Bunny hop land, no hesitation. Board so smooth, it's a revelation. Down the boardwalk, kicking back. Sun going down, but I stay on track. Bystanders asking, yo, what's that ride? I just smirk, then I float right by. Man, I told you this thing was fire. Bro, you just riding, no pushing, no stepping, just leaning. Homie, 124 miles per hour, 20 plus miles on the charge. That GTS got some torque too. Better cop one before the next sale, for real.